Hi, I am Kiran. I am here to explain our project fingerprint voting system. This is agenda of our project. Abstract. Our project fingerprint voting system is used to conduct elections using biometric recognition. We verify voters' details at the election booth using his or her fingerprint. So voter require no IDs. We can say whether voter is eligible or not for voting and check his details that are saved in our database. Objective of our project: to create a secure online voting platform where authenticity of votes and voters are ensured with the use of mechanisms such as fingerprint recognition and one-time password. Scope of our project is to reduce manpower and money requirement and conduct elections in fair manner. Introduction of our project: each person has unique fingerprint. A fingerprint can be described as a pattern of interleaved ridges and valley lines. Grayscale fingerprint images: the valleys are shown as white lines and ridges as black lines. These lines forms various types of patterns. The pattern can be classified as white loop, right loop, arc, and dark. The ridges are distinguished by a unique feature called minutia. Literature review of our project. Design and methodologies. Step 1: classification of data, processing of data, applying machine learning algorithms, getting output. These are the finger images we collected in our dataset. Standard policies of our project. Implementation: architecture diagram. Data acquisition: next step is image processing, and then it moves to fingerprint enhancement, feature extraction, matching that fingerprint that is stored in our database. Data flow diagram: collection of data, pre-processing the data, create a perfect data, applying machine learning algorithms, training the data, testing the data, getting output. This is here diagram of our project. Sequential diagram, collaboration diagram, testing, unit testing, integration testing, functional testing, white box testing, black box testing. Input and outputs: these are the screenshots of our output we get by using our code. Conclusion: our study focuses on the classification of fingerprint using machine learning, making authentication strict in a fingerprint voting system. Data was collected and trained using machine learning algorithms, and the predicted data has been tested. Future enhancements. Web references: these are references of our project, and this is poster presentation of our project. Thank you.
Hi, I am here to explain about the fingerprint recognition system we made using the machine learning concepts. Fingerprint recognition refers to the automated method of identifying or confirming the identity of an individual based on the comparison of two fingerprints. Fingerprint recognition is one of the most well-known biometrics, and it is by far the most used biometric solution for authentication on computerized systems. Fingerprint recognition is probably the most mature biometric technique which finds lots of real-life applications. Here images of fingerprints are provided as a part of Fingerprint Verification Competition 2002, the second international competition for fingerprint verification algorithms, and can be found on the link in the description. There are 4 available datasets here. We choose to work with the second dataset, database 2, which consists of 80 images of fingerprints that belong to 10 different individuals or classes, which gives 8 images per person. reads images from the dataset. Split dataset is function splits the data. We use fingerprint enhancer module of Python. This library performs fingerprint image enhancement which is necessary in biometric recognition systems. These matrices are images stored as matrix of RGB values. Creating fingerprint recognition model. We used KNN algorithm to find the best matches for the given fingerprint. Firstly, we read the files and we prepare the dataset. Each image is converted to a grayscale version and then enhancement is applied by using the following library for fingerprint enhancement in Python. It uses oriented Gabor filter. It is an image processing technique used for texture analysis to enhance the fingerprint image. The dataset is split into training and test set with ratio 80:20. Identification scenario. Identification scenario is identifying someone, in this case biometric identification. This corresponds to 1:m classification problem. Biometric identification answers the question, who are you? It is usually applied in a situation where an organization needs to find a person. The organization captures a biometric from the individual and then searches in the database to identify the person. After the identification scenario method is defined, we continue with testing. By iterating through different distance thresholds, we try to find the most appropriate threshold size. Taking into account the size of training set for each person, we take 3 as a rank, which means the first 3 closest fingerprints are considered when classifying query image. And this is actually similar to what KNN does, where k is equal to 3. Here is an example. Here we provided a test image from the test dataset and the model finds best matches for the test image. We can notice that there are 83% chances that the person will be correctly authenticated. And we got highest accuracy score of 0.93 and persistence score of 0.6. Here false accept rate and false reject rate is shown in the ROC curve.